My grandmother owned a nightclub on the Arkansas.
So I'm just sitting here doing me some thinking, and from my thinkings and stuff, I thought up that maybe I should friggin' think about, thinking about maybe eat some friggin', maybe some waffles. So, alright, let's get some pills.
Yeah.
Give this mother trucker another try.
It's been a good day, boys. Friggin' I got him running, the little Statesman there, big pain. And then I got him running. So that's all good. Yeah, friggin' what I did is I finished up some of the wiring. So yeah, the headlights still don't work. I got them wired up and whatnot. Whoop. They still don't work. Yeah, I know, it's because it's not plugged up, but still. They still don't work, so. But I mean, who needs headlights? And seriously, who's gonna mow their lawn in the dark? Nah. This guy still needs a little work, and darn van wipers still aren't working. Even though I got fuses for them, I can't find them. So she turned around and pointed to the wall and said, "That picture from our honeymoon That night in Frisco Bay, just give it away. Nah, I can't say whatever. Freak you out, boys. See how nice she starts up.